Hello everybody and welcome back. As you can tell, it's raining and it is the day before the big party, which I still have faith. However, here's what's been going on to get to today, and then I'll show you where we are today. Hopefully by that point, the rain will have stopped. Well, it's going to be exactly the same as it has been for a little bit. Prepping for this party because it's only a few days away and we're behind. To get somewhere over here now. Obviously I would have preferred all the logs to be split, but no time, so next best thing. For the camping area, I would like to get some of these branches. They're overhanging down quickly. We'll see what I can manage tomorrow, but all of the trees cut up and rolled out the way. And realistically, if I've got the trailer in here and time is going well, this lot might go in the trailer, which will just clear that corner again. But if the only thing we've done is clear all this section, well, we're still somewhere. So a little bit to do over here, some of the bits and pieces from the banks to get gone, and of course the banks, wow, you should see this. I've discovered something. Now, lots of people have been asking why was it so important to get the banks strimmed, because people always come right up to the edge to take a look at the water and the fish, and as you can see, it's not straight and even, so it's very easy to lose your footing and think that it's solid ground, and it isn't. I don't want anyone in the water. But now, see straight ahead there, obviously that tree has destroyed that over the years, along with the fact that obviously that went over. But there's another one here. That's the footings of the original bridge to get across here. So this is, oh, under there, it's the stone. There's somewhere in a postcard there is a picture of that bridge back when it existed, obviously long rotted away, hence me making that one. But a good example of that tree that's there next to that bridge. It's clearly should never have been there, like everything, like all these things that are in the banks. And once upon a time they were a little shoot, and then the next thing is they're destroyed bridge footings and then destroyed my garden and it fell over. So that's gone, that's good. I think in our little bit of triage, well, that lot can go and get mowed tomorrow. We've got a camping area. Cut through to the day of the party. It's the morning of the party. Yesterday was just rain all day we were setting up. Rain's back again, but it is supposed to clear up in a couple of hours. Let me show you where we've got, because this might not happen. Okay. Well, this is as far as we've got. So that stage, all of that work. And finally, there is a roof. And to be honest, it is looking amazing. Everyone that helped on this was just mega effort, and we're going to be using it for years to come. And of course, based on the weather, it's a very good idea that we've got one. Acoustic stage, bar that's not quite finished, Andy that's trying to rip up the grass. No, I'm joking. Oh, do you know what? There's a bit of sunshine. There's a bit of sunshine. So it's starting to take shape, and I have some friends which you've met before. When you got invited to a party, did you think you get roped into literally?
Yeah. Literally, I'm making it up. And a slight domestic.
Who's right? I'm right. No, I'm right.
Simon, although the happy marriage,
Yeah.
they're always right.
Ain't them all?
I can say that because I clearly got that wrong.
I'm about to.
All right, well, we've got lights. I've got.
Fire, don't
Yeah, this might actually happen. Because I did see some sunshine then, unless, given the luck currently, it's a meteor coming to strike us.
Did see some on the way down.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh. So, we are 40 minutes from the party starting. As you can see, the weather is perfect. It's really good. Yeah, I am soaked and mildly despondent based on the weather, but you can't help the weather. It just 3 months of planning, 2 months of work, all the man hours that went into everything. And I don't mean just me, I mean everybody. It's been a huge effort because this wasn't just a bit of a laugh. It was to raise money for charity. And annoyingly, I know the turnout, if we can even hold it, because obviously electrics and everything, if the weather doesn't break, we won't be able to hold it. And that will mean either we won't be able to hold it, or even if we can, the turnout will be terrible, which means ultimately we won't be raising that much for charity. And that was the point of this, do something good in the world, which meant something for some people around here at the same time as having some fun. But it's a great example to everyone at home watching, because loads of the comments are always, why don't you turn it into a wedding venue? Because this is the weather here in northern France. It's not like the south. There are so many less guarantees on the weather, and everything can go wrong really quickly in something that's completely out of your control. However, I will stay positive. I'm sure the weather will pass and it will be fantastic, and everyone will come out in the wellies and we'll have a Glastonbury festival type attitude to it. But loads of you at home were asking if you could donate to the two charities we were doing this for. I did say, look, we're doing it. It's something local. Thanks so much. I had lots of people messaging me. So what I will do, because I don't like the GoFundMes and all these sort of things, especially for something like this, the Buy Me a Coffee, which is in the link in the description below, anything that's put into the Buy Me a Coffee from today for the next 2-3 weeks, whatever it is, until I do a video announcing. Otherwise, we will split 50-50 between the MND, motor neurone disease charity, which is obviously what our friend Neil sadly succumbed to, this is in his name, and the local rescue centre called Grandes, and that is who always looks after Lightning whenever I need to go. They're fantastic. They've got kennels, they're a rescue centre, agility course. They are lovely people who really care about animals. So they deserve a helping hand. Last year, my private party we raised some money for another local animal shelter. So we kind of it's that. There's got to be a reason to do these things. So there is, if anyone does, and not in the slightest do you have to, please, it's just for the people that were asking if they could, there is a link to the Buy Me a Coffee. Anything that goes in there, we will split 50-50 between Grande's Rescue Centre and the Motor Neurone Disease charity in aid of Neil. So I'm going to go and have a shower, even though I clearly had one outside, get changed and pray for a little bit of respite in the weather. And I will let you know how it all went next video. Thanks so much, everyone. Bye for now.